Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a bank statement letter. What is a bank statement letter? A bank statement request letter is a letter written by an account holder to a bank manager to request for an official bank statement that is typically sent by the bank to the account holder every month, summarizing all the transactions of an account during the month. Bank statements contain bank account information, such as account numbers and a detailed list of deposits and withdrawals. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a bank statement request letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your information as a sender of this letter. Here, you must write your full name. Under it, write your home address. When you write down the full address, don't forget to mention the number, street name, state, and zip code. You can also add your contact information like phone number or email address. After that, write the date of the letter. Here, you can use the format of month, date, and year. Once you finished, write the information about the recipient. It is okay if you don't know the name. Here, just address the letter to the manager of the bank. Under it, write the name of the bank. In this case is Union Bank. And write also the address of the bank. You can write the complete one by including the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And write the subject of the letter. You can write request to issue a bank statement. Or write request letter for a bank statement. For the next, open the letter with salutation. Since you don't know the name of the recipient, you can just write Dear Sir or Madam. In the first paragraph, write directly that you request the bank to give you a bank statement. All account holder is welcome to request this issue, so you don't have to hesitate. And tell the recipient that you have a bank account in the recipient's bank or company. In this case, you must mention which branch of bank it is. Don't forget, you need to also mention your account number. Make sure you don't misspell the number. For the next sentence, write the reason why you are requesting for a bank statement. In this example, the writer needs the bank statement to file the income tax for this financial year. And you need to mention which months you need the bank statements. In this example, the writer needs the bank statements for 2 previous months, which are April and May. In the second paragraph, you must mention that you attach some documents as proofs that you are the owner of the mentioned bank account. And you should give your personal contact information for the bank to ask further information about your account and so on. Here, you can just give your phone number. Or you can also give your email address. Both are the most used contact information used in formal letters besides home address. And the last sentence, thank the recipient in advance. Show how grateful you will be when the bank give you quick response for this. And finally, close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a request letter for a bank statement step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.